Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. It is Tuesday, the 2nd of June, and on this very bright and sunny day, welcome back to what is the final term 6 of this academic year at Bexleyheath Academy. We hope that you have had a fantastic half-term break, and it has been great to see that so many of you have been taking part in the half-term activities which were available via the virtual learning dashboard. So as we've said, today is the first day returning to online learning, and there is some great stuff in store for you across the day today. You will have already received this morning your email with your daily timetable. Please don't forget to record your name on a register before you get started today, and you'll find links to the individual classrooms across the day. If you have any problems accessing any of the classrooms, again, don't hesitate to get in touch, and we'll make sure that you're back online as quickly as possible. Now, across this week, we're going to be sharing lots of information with students who will be joining Year 7 in September. And we know that for some of you, that means that you have got younger brothers or sisters that will be joining the academy with us in September, and we're absolutely looking forward and excited to be meeting them and them getting involved. Now, in order to help them prepare for that, we've got some assignments and some projects that they'll be able to work on across the coming weeks, and we'll be sharing some information with them. But there is a special button on the virtual learning dashboard that your younger brothers and sisters will be able to access, and we'd certainly hope that you'll be able to offer them support in accessing that. But today is the start of 7 weeks of what will be a great term, taking us to the end of the academic year. We hope that also across this term, for some of you, there'll be an opportunity for you to come back into school for some face-to-face contact with us, and we'll share more information about what that's going to be looking like over the next couple of weeks. That's all from me today. I'm going to hand over to Miss Mush, who's going to be sharing with us some interesting facts this morning. Miss Mush.
Good morning, Bexleyheath Academy. I hope you are as bright as the weather is today. Now, I have an interesting history fact here. Today is the 2nd of June, and in 1953, Queen Elizabeth II was formally crowned as the Queen of England. So we might as well celebrate birthdays at this point. And so birthday shout outs, George Trusty, Year 9, you've turned 14. Tanisha Atwell, Year 10, you've turned 15. Muhiz Akusela, Year 11, you've turned 16, sweet 16. I hope you have a fantastic 16th birthday, young lady. And Leah Butcher, you've turned 13. You're in Year 13 and you've turned 18. Very, very happy birthday, Leah. I hope you enjoy this one. Go outside for a while, stay safe, but enjoy your 18th. And then Tanushan, if I pronounce your name wrong, I do apologize. Tanushan Jayakuma, Year 13, you've turned 19. I wish you all a fantastic birthday today. And now I hand you over to Miss Doyle.
Good morning, everybody. So from me, a fun fact of the day is a blue whale's heart is so big that a small child can swim through its veins. So that was a fun one that I had from this morning. And a little maths riddle for you. Using only addition, how can you use 8 8s to get to the number 1,000? So a little maths question for you all. Using only addition, how can you use 8 8s to get to the number 1,000? If you think you know the answer, you can drop me an email. Send me that. I'd love to hear from you. And finally from me today, just a reminder to stay safe whilst in isolation. So stay at home wherever possible. Make sure you keep washing your hands, keep fit and healthy. And if you do go outside, make sure you adhere to the 2 meter rule. Have a lovely first day back.